Okay, so here is our assignment. So this is the beginning of the presentation, starting with the first slide. We have some images and some effects going on as well as sounds. This is all something that we learned in the last chapter. We can fade in images as well, so that can be customized. We can also add annotations with a pen over here so that you can emphasize when presenting to your audience certain points. We have our edit the content, some strong information here. We did add a little grid here to offer some visual stimulation on some important points when creating a slideshow and adding different artwork, text, or shapes. And that is the end of the presentation.